So here in chapter 4, that is more functions, I have 11th file val.html, and in this 11th file I have here HTML boilerplate code. In this boilerplate code, in line number 3 I have here title. In line number 4 I am simply loading jQuery library using script_rc tag. From line number 5 to line number 9 I am saying when document is ready, call this callback anonymous function. So inside this body I am gonna have a submit button first. So input type is equal to submit and value is equal to get value. Okay, after that I'm gonna have a line break and I'm gonna have a select tag. So I'm going to say here select open and select close. To the select control I'm going to assign an ID, that is maybe DDL, that is drop down list, GENDER. okay, DDL gender. Select HTML control is also known as drop down list. Now inside this select tag I'm gonna have here option tag with value as a male and label as male as well for this option tag, and I'm gonna have another option tag here inside this select tag, that is female. I'm gonna assign here label as female. Now what do I want here is, if somebody is clicking this submit button, this select tag get selected over here and the selected options value get alerted in an alert box. So in order to select this input button, in order to select this submit button, I'm gonna have in our ID as btn with this submit button, and now using this ID I'm gonna select this submit button inside this document.ready function. So that is jQuery selector gonna pass here ID of the button, that is btn, and then I'm gonna assign here a click event handler function to this submit button. And inside this click event handler function I'm gonna select the drop down list using this ID DDL gender. So in this jQuery selector I'm gonna pass the ID as DDL gender, and then I'm gonna call here a method val. This val method will simply select the selected options value, and then once the selected options value is here, I'm gonna pass that value actually inside an alert method so that the selected value get alerted in an alert box. Now let's see this code in action. Here we have the get value submit button, and here I have the drop down list. I'm gonna select here male and then click on this get value button. Look, the male gets selected. Now if I go ahead and change this value for selection as female and click on this get value button, again the val method will simply read the value from this drop down list and alert that value inside alert box. So here is female.